Amazon rainforest is located in South America. And has a total area of about 5 million square miles. It extends from Colombia to Peru and Brazil, where it covers approximately 1/5 of the planet's remaining tropical forests. The Amazon rainforest contains an estimated 10% of all species on Earth, including some endangered animals such as pink dolphins and black caiman crocodiles that can reach lengths over 6 feet, 1.8 meters. There are also many different types of trees in this forest. In addition to helping us keep our planet healthy, we can learn a lot about how ecosystems work from studying this particular region and by protecting it now so that future generations will have access to its resources too. Ponds like those used for coconuts grow along rivers or lakes. Other plants include giant ferns which can reach heights up to 15 feet, 4 meters. In addition to being home to many species of plants and animals, the Amazon rainforest has a rich cultural history as well. Indigenous people have lived in this area since before Europeans arrived on American soil. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Covering 5.1% of South America's landmass and occupying parts of 9 countries. It's also home to 10% of all plant species on Earth and provides about 20% of our planet's oxygen supply. So what effect does this have on global warming? Well, it hasn't been good so far. In fact, scientists think that if we weren't such big greenhouse gas emitters ourselves, or at least had kept them lower, then climate change would not be happening quite as quickly as it has been since 1850, and that includes a lot more forest than just the ones around here. The Amazon River Basin covers more than half of Brazil and Peru, with an area larger than Texas or France. It's estimated that there are 10 million miles 60 million kilometers worth of rivers in this region alone, and that's just from one source. The rainy season lasts from December to June, while the dry season lasts from June to December. This is because the intertropical convergence zone its easy and Humboldt current push northward during this time, causing rain clouds to move away from Brazil. The indigenous people who live there have been living there for over 11,000 years. They call themselves the Taparipe or the Muisca, which means people of the sacred lake. Monkeys and birds, while also gathering fruits from plants like avocados or manioc. Also known as cassava root tubers that can be cooked into stews as well as ground, and the flour for breads made from cornmeal mixed with water, then baked inside homemade ovens heated by wood fires underneath them until done cooking perfectly browned outside due to its high moisture content, making it ideal for baking purposes because no longer need artificial ingredients added. Into food. The Amazon rainforest helps sustain all life on Earth by filtering out carbon dioxide from our atmosphere and then storing it in trees. This process releases oxygen as well as gives off water vapor, which keeps other parts of the world cooler than they would be without this natural filter.